Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up FlexRent payment. First, open the FlexRent app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app opens, you will see the main dashboard with your rent information and account details. Now, if you want to add a payment method for the first time or update your existing payment details, look for the Settings option inside the app. In most cases, you can find it at the bottom corner of the screen or by tapping the profile icon at the top of the app. After opening Settings, scroll down until you see the option called Payment Methods. Tap on that option to continue. On this page, you will be able to see your current payment method if one has already been added during the setup process. You will also see an option to add payment method or change payment method. If you are adding a new payment method, tap on Add Payment Method. Then enter your new payment details carefully. This may include your debit card, credit card, or bank account information depending on what options are available in your app. If you already have a payment method saved and want to update it, tap on Change Payment Method. Remove the old details if needed and enter the new payment information. After entering all the details, double-check everything to make sure the information is correct. Then tap on Confirm or Save to finish the setup process. Thanks for watching.